Oh, very good. Yes, yes. Hey everybody, Adam Savage here with a show and tell from my shop. This is my pet dragon. Say hello. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is this thing beautiful? I weirdly have not named him, although it's pretty clear to me that this is a male dragon. I don't know why, but it is. And this dragon was made by Australian special effects artist, makeup artist, and practical effects artist, Kate Winslade. And I saw Kate with one of her dragons, I think on Twitter, can't remember exactly where, and I reached out and I commissioned this beautiful piece from Kate. And she built it over the next few months and sent it to me. We have some pictures of its construction. Yeah. This is a gorgeous piece by a master craftsperson. It has so much character. Each of the dragons she makes is so individual. Really, getting it in the mail was even better than witnessing it on camera the first time. Like just seeing up close all the little details that Kate puts into a piece like this. And also, just to be clear, it's like not super exotic in terms of the material choices at all. There are some basic ethifoams, there's some basic foam construction, cloth construction. The paint doesn't look that exotic. This is not outside the skill range or exotic material range of most makers. And yet, when you see what somebody who's a real professional can do with these things, it's really lovely. I won't last much longer because my hand in this position is actually starting to hurt. I'm using a ring light, which is actually giving these eyes a whole bunch more wonderful life. It's actually making them look like they move around. Oh my goodness, what an unbelievable thing. Look at this. This is also all additive construction. This isn't sculpted and cast. This is all built using all sorts of different techniques. There's a little plastic work, foam work, there's some acrylic painting. There's a way in which seeing this in person is even more inspiring to me than seeing it on camera. I mean, because it renders so beautifully on camera. Here, get this. Back up in. Tested.com. Really? Just shameless advertisement? Kate Winslade can also be found. We'll include links to her other social channels in the comments below. Kate, I'm so proud to be a steward of one of your amazing pieces of art. This dragon is just one of my favorite things in this space. Thank you guys for joining me for this show and tell, and I will see you next time. That's a Muppet move. Hey everybody, Adam Savage here from Tested in my cave. I've been turned into a dragon by a wizard, but that's okay because I can talk about my own construction. I made of foam, cloth, acrylic paint, some nice glass eyes. I think you should do the intro. Okay. So cool, he looks so good.